I think the biggest challenge of the supply chains going forward is not knowing what will be coming next. Because we have learned we don't necessarily have the answers to all types of problems that we're facing. I've been working in supply chains over the last 25 plus years. I did so many different kinds of roles in my previous experiences. The last 6 years is with Ralph Lauren. I started as head of supply chain. Then I was asked to drive sustainability strategy, so I became chief sustainability officer on top of that. And during the last year, my title changed into chief product officer. So my responsibilities cover end-to-end responsibilities around product from the day it was incepted through design all the way it was manifested and executed to the consumer. Last couple of years brought a lot of learnings. A part of it was about how important it is to build resilience, not only in your networks, but also in your teams, and improve their capabilities to deal with unexpected circumstances. And that to me is the definition of resilience, because the problems we face are different. And every day, every week, we woke up to a different kind of challenge in the supply chain where we didn't have a playbook for solutions. What we also learned is implementing long-term strategies and how critical that is to deal with unexpected situations. The strategies we've been implementing on resilience and adaptability and agility of our supply chain over the last 5 years, we just saw how important and how critical that was to help us build the existing solutions to existing problems, as well as continuing to build on for the future. Gartner has been an amazing partner throughout our supply chain strategy building and management process. First of all, with the insights and hindsights they provide from the industry, not only what's happening today, but what are the trends in the horizon when it comes to various industries and their supply chains. Specifically, Gartner working with different industries is extremely helpful because there's a lot to learn in between different industries from each other, and Gartner really brings those insights and hindsights to us. They've been a great data and fact source for all of us, and that actually helped us create the right language and opportunity to create the right influence in our organizations to drive change. And I think their ability and capability to gather information and sort it out based on your needs and really create a personalized service and support is really amazing. And there's amazing partnership within the Gartner community, and we have a lot of great peer conversations. And at times it's through the connections we build through events or the way we reach out to Gartner talking about what type of insights we need, and then they find the right peer for me to get connected. I think the biggest challenge of the supply chains going forward is not knowing what will be coming next. Because we have learned we don't necessarily have the answers to all types of problems that we're facing. And I was extremely happy and proud to build such relationships with our peers, because we do have a lot of pre-competitive spaces where we can learn from each other and share with each other. It created a lot of learning opportunities for us.